Here's how to fix AMD Error 1603 when the Install Manager fails to update your chipset drivers. The Install Manager has a known bug that causes the 1603 error on many AMD systems regardless of what you do inside the app. The fix is to bypass the Install Manager entirely and install the chipset driver manually. Open your browser and go to amd.com. Navigate to Drivers and Support and search for your specific AMD processor or chipset. Scroll down past the Install Manager option and look for the Direct Chipset Driver download. It will be listed as AMD Ryzen Chipset Driver for Windows 10, Windows 11, 64-bit. Click it to download the standalone installer. Run this installer directly rather than through the Install Manager. Depending on your system configuration, it may install between 2 and 5 separate driver components. Let it complete all of them without interrupting. Restart your PC when prompted. This method works on machines where the Install Manager repeatedly fails with 1603 and is the recommended fix until AMD patches the app-level bug. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.